Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called return something to me. So it says write a function that returns a string something joined with a space and the given argument a. So as we can see from the examples, so we're going to be giving the argument a is what's going to be inside the function. So this one is better than nothing. So we're supposed to have something and then a space and then is better than nothing. Over here, Bob Jane. So again, we're supposed to have something, space, and then Bob Jane. And then something, something, space, something. So what we're going to do is go to the code tab. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be working with strings in this problem. We're going to do the function. We're going to return a string and the argument string A. So what we can do is we can do this two ways. We can just go with the easy way first, the quicker way. So we're going to return, and then we're just going to put something, space. As you can see, this is very crucial. Don't forget the space because that's what it wanted. And the problem, as you can see, joined with a space. Okay, back to the code tab. And then we're just going to add the argument. This should pass the test for this problem. As you can see, it passed the test. Okay, another way we could do this is we could do a string answer. We could assign exactly what we just put in the return for uh, the previous version we did. So we can just do something, remember the space, exactly the same thing we did a. So this right here, something plus a, is assigned to answer. So all we have to do is just return answer. There we go. It should pass the test. And there we go. Did the same thing as the previous way. You could do either way. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.